So this is it, the morning of paint. We tried to get loads of film last night, but we were at it till about 10:30, just trying to get it fully finished and prepped. And we kept, when we put it back in the garage after washing it down, we kept seeing little bits that blemishes, so we were sanding them down, and we just didn't have time to film anything. Plus you've seen enough of it now anyway, you just want to see the paint, like we do, to be fair. So I'm just meeting Jamie down at the petrol station, and then I'm following him because we're going to be dropping it off at the paint booth, because I think it's going to take him till like 9 o'clock or something later, so we don't want to just hang around all day, because that's pretty long. It'd be like 14 hour a day just sat there waiting at a spray booth. So we're going to drop the car off, help him get a few bits prepped, drop off some of the panels and bumper and everything, and then just head back and wait for him to call and say it's all done. There he is, hot boy styling. I'll just follow you. Yeah. Let's do it.
Let's go get some paint.
Woo! We're in the spray boothy. Oh, sponge fitment. Stripping the last few bits off, ready to go in the booth. Oh, and your rear number plates never look so good in that bumper. It wasn't flapping around, and you put it in level. Just to say, OCD following you normally, he's just kicking off massively. So what's next? Bumper off, skirts are off, rear over fenders are off, bonnet's off. Hopefully our job is good enough. We need to get the A-OK, and then
we'll have to ask him, see what he thinks from a professional.
We'll have to ask Paint Yoda and see what he reckons. So what's going on? Why are you so smiley?
Look at that in there. Look at the light bouncing off the lines. That's
just because it's one, just the, what, dark grey primer?
I think it was like an anthracite grey.
Did you say it was a high build type stuff?
Yeah, we did a bit of a shit job on some of the press.
Some bits, some was good, but a few of it was a bit swirly where we hadn't quite got the 320 grit.
Yeah, I think what happened is I used a 180 grit on the DA, and I went over some bits to try and stuff it up, and I was supposed to go over again with the 320 and I didn't.
No.
I've gone through a little bit on the paint now.
But at the moment, that's only took like 10 minutes to lay the, let's have a look, come on over.
Just had a preview of the paint.
It's all lacquered, everything's down, it's just baking. So we're going to pick up, what, Subway? KFC?
Yeah, something not McDonald's would be great. But yeah, the colour we've chosen, I was shown a picture by Adam who's painting it. He suggested this colour, and
it's mad, isn't it?
The picture looked good, and
the colour, put a torch or a light on it.
It's like two different colours. We'll show you when we get some footage of it.
Can you say straight over?
We're going to cut to that. Sean doesn't know where he's going as usual.
We're in a foreign land at the moment.
Come on the land down under.
What did he say? Go left.
He said something about a roundabout. Just go left. So yeah, we're going to go grab some food.
He's going in for a, what did he say, a 30-minute bake on about 30 degrees to cure the lacquer slightly, and then when the lacquer goes tacky, he's going to turn up the heat to 62 or something.
65. But he said what happens with the lacquer is when he lays it on quite heavy, it will sort of self-level a bit more, so it will sit a bit better in the stuff. I don't know, the dents and little bits that are in it.
Yeah, he said otherwise it'll just run off.
Yeah, he said if you baked it too early, put it, I don't know, there's obviously painters who know more about this than me, but if you put it onto bake straight away, he said the paint could literally just drop off the car because it would just cure too quick. So it's having like a half an hour pre-bake and then it's going into a preheated oven at 65 degrees for an hour. Definitely won't have a soggy bottom.
Then we get to drive it home.
Well, he's going to buff it, polish it up a bit as well, and then we'll be heading home.
So it's all done and he's happy. He hasn't stopped smiling for like the last 3 hours.
My cheeks are hurting so much.
You've you've seen it because we put it up on Insta and there's been a massive edit in this video.
Needs a quick wash.
Yeah,
Got a bit of wax
but he said to leave it.
Yeah.
I mean, it was done in no time, was it really? It was like 2 hours.
We left at 3:30, we got there at 8:15. Say we started at 8:30.
That included baking and
that was stripping everything off as well that was going to be painted. We went over everything.
all the bumper skirts, all the bits we
down
took
with
off.
alcohol. Not alcohol,
With Jack
just
Daniels.
alcohol. Yeah, and
One-
guys.
Yeah, 2 guys did it, 2 separate booths, one for all the panels, one for the car itself. And then it was just put it all back together.
Yeah.
Went together easy.
So the colour is it's an Alfa Romeo colour.
Can't remember what it's called. Mito? Not Mito.
It's
off of Mito.
Yeah, but from probably here in this light, it looks pretty much black. But if you come over here where the sun's hitting the front wing,
It's like
down here,
red and dark purpley and
I don't know if you'll see that.
no.
Come this way. See
You probably will in there. Oh yeah, you see it there.
That's it.
You see? Yeah, that looks good. Mad.
So it's got like a red pearl to it. So in the sun, it'll just pop little like red highlights,
Oh, yeah.
glitter and stuff. So it's,
Hopefully it comes out in pictures, like when the Togs get on it at Rockingham or whatever.
yeah, I mean, like even at the corner there, you can't really see like the pop, but there's like a tint to it.
Oh no, the whole edge, the whole way up there, up there, up there.
Every raised point there has got like a purple tint to it. So yeah, I'm really, really happy. It all works. Chrome works with the paint colour.
So that's it. It's done. 1 car down, 2 to go. Mine's the easy one. So we're having a break and doing mine because it'll be the easiest.
Yeah.
It's just there. It's got peel the wrap off. 320 grit the whole car.
Yeah, we don't need to go
No
any
no
lower.
lower.
It's just 320 all over it once the wrap's off. As long as it doesn't pull any paint off, it shouldn't be any issue. But if it does, then we just need to get the paint flatted down so there isn't like a problem.
Yeah, use like the 180 or whatever and then just work our way up. And then we're
No.
onto Louis.
No 180, it's all 320.
Just 180.
No.
And then
That's what happened with mine, and that's where we had some issues.
Louis, which is going to take some work. So many years. It'd be alright though, but...
Louis has got about the same amount of work on the rear quarters that mine did.
But at least we don't have to do all the arches because he already had all them welded.
Yeah,
but the rear quarters need doing, but the rear arches
wrinkles, so it's like
don't need doing.
Where the wall's been touched gently, it's been bashed back out, and the roof's quite bad on Louis.
Oh, you're still going to do all these little bits like this, polish these.
And these still need putting in. This was just to get it home pretty
Yeah, it's literally
so
come
really.
from the booth to here. So there's a few more of these riv nuts to go in, and that's it. We're on to the next car.